Open your numeracy skill book to the page number 118. Today we are going to learn a new topic, that is greater than and less than. The sign of greater than is like this and the sign of less than is like this. Greater means bigger number and less than means smaller number. We will see an example. So we will got to know what is the greater than, what is the less than. Okay. The example is birdie is hungry and it wants to eat the bigger number. ओके बर्डी जो है वो बहुत हंग्री है और उसे बिगर नंबर चाहिए. उसे बिगर नंबर, जहाँ पे बिग नंबर, इन द बिग number fishes are there, that fishes she wants to eat. Okay, so we'll count the fish. 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many fishes are here? 6. And here 4 fishes. 1 2 3 4. So bigger number is 6 and less number is 4. Okay, small number is 4. So she wants to eat bigger number. Okay, so sign here. 6 is a bigger number. 6 is a bigger number and 4 is a smaller number. So 6 is greater than 4 and 4 is less than 6. 6 is a greater than 4 and 4 is a less than 6. Okay, so now you will come to know what is the bigger and what is the smaller. So the sign is, bigger sign is, the greater sign is like this and the less sign is like this. Okay, this type of arrow means greater than and this type of arrow means less than. Okay, now we will see one we will do an activity which they have given you on the next page. Write CW and today's date. The activity is, which is the bigger number in each set, you have to write the correct sign. Okay, so now 7 and 9, which is the smallest number? 7. And which is the biggest number? 9. So you have to sign like this. Okay, 9 is greater than 7. Okay, 9 is bigger than 7. And then in the next box 25 and 25. The 25 is greater than 20. So you will sign like this. 32 and 39. The 32 is smaller than 39. 39 is a big number and 32 is a smaller number. So you will sign like this. Okay, you will use this sign to show the bigger number. 39 is greater than 32. Okay, 32 is less than 39. Then 39 is bigger number. Now in this set 40 and 14. 40 is greater number and 14 is smaller number, big and small. So you will sign, you have to write like this sign. Okay, then 51, 46. 51 is bigger than 46. 69 and 70. 70 is a big number and 69 is a small number. So 70 is bigger than 69. Now 98 and 86. 98 is bigger than 86. Okay, so understood what is a greater than and what is a less than. After that you are having two more activities. Okay, again write CW and today's date. Count the pictures and write the numbers. Okay, count the picture and write the numbers. Here we have to use less than and greater than sign. Okay, one they have done for you. In the one box 2 books are there and in the one box 6 books are there. So here they have used less than sign. 2 is less than 6. जो 2 है वो 6 से छोटा नंबर है. 2 is less than 6. ये है साइन less than का. Okay, next box 1 2 3. In the one box 3 bats are there. How many? 3. And in one box 2 bats are there. How many? 2. So 3 is greater than 2. 3 is bigger than 2. So which you will sign use here? This. Okay, 3 is bigger than 2. In the next box, how many capsicums are here? Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many? 7. And in the next box 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many? 6. 6 box are here. sorry, 6 capsicums are here. So 7 is bigger than 6. So which sign you will use here? This greater than sign. Okay. Then in the next box, bugs are there, ladybugs are there. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? In the one box there have 4 bugs. And in the next box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many? 8. So 4 is less than 8. 4 is smaller than 8. So which sign you will use here? This. Okay. 4 is less than, 4 is a smaller than 8. Okay. Then you are having a next activity on the next page, that is greater than, less than and equal to. Okay. Greater than, less than and equal to. Write HW and today's date. Okay. Now we will see 1. In the first cloud they have given you 2 numbers, 1 and 10. So now 1 is smaller than 10. Okay. जो 1 नंबर है वो 10 से छोटा है, तो आप कौन सा साइन यूज़ करोगे? ये वाला. ओके. नाउ 19 एंड 15. 19 15 से बड़ा है. 19 इज ग्रेटर दैन 15. 19 नंबर इज बिगर दैन 15. सो विच साइन यू विल यूज हियर? ग्रेटर दैन. ओके. ग्रेटर दैन. Then 22 and 22. These both numbers are same. So you will use here equal to. Okay. Which sign you will use here? These both numbers are same. So you will use here equal to. Like this you have to do. You have to solve these 5 examples. Okay. Take your mama's help and solve these 5 examples. Okay. Thank you.